Back to it. What's up, guys? My name's Matt. Today my buddy Rob and I were gonna go to Belleayre Mountain, or Mount Belleayre, and it's supposed to get pounded with snow, like 8 to 12 inches. So it's 4:45 right now. We're actually on our way up. I'm gonna be jumping in his car in a minute. It's a long story about that, but it should be a good day. It's gonna be a mix of like a vlog and kind of like some scenic stuff. So it's gonna be filmed on my original Canon G7X that I use and my GoPro Hero 5. So I hope you guys like the content, and let's get going. Bro, this looks like the most sticks upstate place I've ever been. We should be good. I mean, take it slow.
Dude, Blizzaks,
that is facts. Blizzaks are unbelievable.
and every person I read on the forums, I'm like, is this car good with snow tires? Everyone's like, it's f***ing sick if you have the right snow tires. So.
It's the all-out show with Reed Juice. I think their websites that collect pictures of women's.
What's up, guys? We made it to the mountain here with Rob. The lobby, Mount Belleayre. It's gonna be sick. What's up, guys? Switch from the Canon to the GoPro. Look at Bobby's sushi, boy. That shit is lit. Crazy. It's probably 4 inches on the ground. Check out. Oh yeah. Nah, today's sick. Good day to go snowboarding. What's the battery at? Fucking low. 19%. Yeah, it is cold.
We just did this dot, and we did this deer run.
What do you want to do now?
Well, Seneca's right under us. We could do Peekamoose, which is right here. Take it into one of these.
I'm with it.
Wanna do that?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Have you ever been hated or discriminated against? I have. I've been protested and demonstrated against. Look at signs for my wicked rhymes. Look at the time. Sick is the mind of the motherfucking kid that's behind. All this commotion, emotions run deep as oceans explode. Zippers flaring from Paris is blowing them off to keep going. Not taking nothing from no one. Give them hell long as I'm breathing. Keep kicking ass in the morning and taking names in the evening. Leaving with the taste of sour. It's vinegar in their mouth. See, they can trigger me. But they'll never figure me out. Look at me now, I bet you're probably sick of me now. Ain't you, mama? I'ma make you look so ridiculous now.
Hey, what's good, guys? So when we were filming this, both the batteries died, and like an idiot, I only brought one of the GoPro batteries. So I'm gonna end this right here, but thank you for watching. If you like this edit, drop a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for the recent support, and peace out.